there, my name's Natasha, my pronouns are she, her, and I'm an education specialist at the Museum of Pop Culture. At MoPOP, in our Fantasy Worlds of Myth and Magic exhibit, there are all kinds of creatures where people did exactly what you did today. They took something that they know from science and then they combined that with their imagination, creating their own fantasy creatures. So what's next? Now that you've unlocked the power of your imagination and your creativity, you can go further. You could draw a comic strip about your fantasy creature. You could have friends or classmates create creatures and then together you could invent the world that they live in. You could tell your family a story about your creature. Or you could share a picture online of anything that you created in these activities using the hashtag MoPOPDon'tStop. And then other people in the MoPOP community will also be able to see what you made. The sky is the limit. With this activity, you've proven you can do awesome things with your imagination. You should be proud of yourself. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun. Have a great day.